Do you want to know how you can log into your Xpand Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xpand Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and then search for Xpand Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this login site where you can see you can log into your employer, employee, time clock, supervisor and former employee accounts. So the most common ones are your employer and employee accounts. So let me give you the example by this. So go ahead and write down your company ID over here on the first box, your username on the second box and your password on the third box. After you've written down your password, go ahead and check your password and make sure all of your account details are correct and click sign in. This way you can sign into your employer login portal of your Xpand Payroll. Same goes for your employee login portal. Write down your username, your password and click sign in. This way you can log into your Xpand Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.